Kaboom! The voice of the blockchain, Satoshi's big cousin, crypto's finest, Champagne Crypto. Thank you for tuning in. In this video, I want to speak more about staking Theta and Tfuel, the Guardian nodes, specifically delegating to a Guardian node and staking via the Edge node. But first, let me shout out all the Champagne Crypto maniac boomers out there. Everybody entering the blockchain battlefield trenches. Welcome at Champagne Crypto, the 5-star general of this boom, of this bull run and beyond. Make sure you're touching all the buttons, the likes, the subscribe, the post notification bell, the ding ding. Stay tuned into the good ones that we spread here every single day. Let's get straight to it. You can see Theta token against Binance looking strong. Theta against ETH looking strong. Theta against Bitcoin looking strong. Although there's some red today, I'm looking at this as a possible buy the dip opportunity. Specifically here, Theta against BTC still says buy, and the same thing with Theta BNB. So I already picked some up. The easiest way, in my opinion, to pick some Theta up is to really simply swap it over there on simpleswap.io or on a similar service called Godex. I actually use Godex.io more than SimpleSwap, but they're very similar and they've worked. So you can exchange anonymously with these sites, Godex.io and SimpleSwap. Have the links provided down below. Once you go ahead and swap and receive your coins, you'll see them appear in your wallet. As far as the wallets, you can set up the wallet over here with Theta Network. Click on wallet, and it'll take you to create a wallet where you can do this online and access it with a key store file, or you can download the Chrome extension, which is basically the MetaMask for Theta, and that's what I did. So let's go ahead and check that out. I downloaded it here on my extension, and you can see that I have some Theta tokens here, over 1,000 Theta tokens that I would like to stake. Now, the minimum requirement for staking Theta is 1,000 tokens. The minimum requirement for staking Tfuel is 10,000 tokens. Okay, so let's talk about staking Theta first. You could do so by setting up your own Guardian node or delegating to someone or a service that that runs their own. And you can go ahead and download the nodes here from the website, but that's not what I'm doing. As far as the Guardian node, I am delegating to Gpool. Gpool is a service that is #1 actually right now as far as uptime. You can read more about guardianmonitor.io as far as all the Guardians that are online. But you could see here when you scroll down that Gpool is the top Guardian node right here. Gpool.io, it's an elite, and you can read more of the statistics regarding that address. But that's the pool that I decided to delegate to. So let me show you guys how to do this. You go to gpool.io and you got to sign up with your email or whatever. And then once you log in, you'll see this dashboard that is not very much attractive. But what you need to do is go to Join Guardian. Okay, once you've logged in or whatnot, you go to Join Guardian, press OK, and then it takes you to this place, this page, Guardian Node Holder Summary. This is the address that you need to use to stake. This is the address that you use to delegate the stake to Gpool, and so that you can earn rewards. So I copied that. You can go to either wallet, the Theta wallet over here, or the Theta extension. It's the same thing. Let me go ahead and do that. I'm going to the Theta extension wallet, and then you go over here to stakes. You could also do that on the other page on Theta wallet, same thing. But just click stakes, and you can go to deposit stake, and then you can click stake type, Guardian node or validator node. In this case, it's going to be a Guardian node. That Guardian is Gpool. So then what you do is you put the Guardian node holder summary, which is that address that I copied, and then the stake amount. The stake amount will be, I want to stake everything. So let me go back and see. It's 1421. So I'm going to go ahead and stake the entire amount, 1421. So let's go ahead and do that again. Deposit, Guardian node, paste the address, stake amount 1421, next, and then confirm. It'll send the transaction. It'll take a little moment to confirm and whatnot. It's not as fast as, something like Binance or Tron, but nevertheless, it does. There you go. It's actually faster than I expected. Then you can go back to Gpool, or you can actually go to your stakes here and you can see stake to the node 0xx, and it tells you the address. So for those that are concerned about losing their coins like I was, the way that this works is that it's just delegating to that node. You're not sending them the coins. You're allowing them to use your weight, your token value to vote and to earn rewards. But if for any reason this gets hacked, is my understanding is that the only thing that could be done is the tokens are reversed and just returned back to your account. Like they can't go anywhere else. It's just staked to that node. Is my understanding. Again, I'm not a programmer. Don't quote me on that, but that's my understanding. Enough for me to earn my confidence and stake. Now I have withdrawn from this node, and I want to give you guys the heads up on how that works. If you withdraw, it's going to take about 50 hours to receive your coins. Okay. And I learned that because at beginning I staked with just about 1,000 coins, and then I ended up buying some more Theta, and I wanted to add that to my stake. I had a few hundred coins I wanted to add to my stake, but I was unable to because you need to stake a minimum of 1,000 coins at a time. Okay, 1,000 or more. So, I couldn't add 300 to my 1,000 stake. So I had to unstake the entire thing, wait 50 hours to receive my tokens, and then restake like I did right now. So just to give you guys the heads up, if you go to withdraw, once you perform that command, it'll say stake, and it'll return your stake at block whatever number. It'll tell you here. So just to give you guys the heads up when you are unstaking. Now let's move on to Tfuel. You can see I have a significant amount here of Tfuel in my wallet. Now with Tfuel, you can stake Tfuel and earn Tfuel rewards via the Edge node. You can download the Edge node over here on Theta token's website. You can see download the Theta Edge node to participate. Join today. And again, you could download the entire Guardian node yourself, which I wouldn't recommend because it's large and you got to stay online the whole time. So, I delegated that to Gpool. They do the Guardian node stuff. I did download the Theta Edge node, which is a smaller application, and I leave it running while I'm not using my computer to earn Tfuel. So I already downloaded it. Let me show you guys how it looks. You can see you can watch and broadcast through this application, the Edge Node Beta, and then you can earn Tfuel by performing jobs in the background. There's a cache, and you can see there's job status. And finally, you could stake your Tfuel, which is why I download the app in the first place. So you can see you just go to update, and then you said edit Tfuel stake, and you just go ahead and you can edit the amount right here. And once you edit the amount, it takes I think 500 seconds for the network to refresh. Okay, so you won't be receiving rewards for about I think 500 to 600 seconds, and that's specifically explained once you click the buttons. But that's what I'm doing to earn Tfuel, excuse me. I'm staking Tfuel to earn Tfuel, and then I'm staking Theta to earn more Tfuel. To recap, there is staking Theta. You have to do that via a validator or a Guardian node. The validator nodes, probably most people are not going to do that. Their validators are Google, Sony, Samsung, Binance, and I think it requires a large amount of Theta. You can set up your own Guardian node, okay, but you got to leave the computer running, and you won't be able to receive rewards unless the computer is running. Okay, so that being said, I delegated to Gpool, which has the majority of the uptime. Let me go back to Guardian Monitor here, and you can see, status online, that their downtime is very little. They have servers throughout the world. So you could, if you don't want to do the Gpool, you could do someone else. I guess there's other outfits that you could delegate to, but they seem to be the leaders. Okay, and then finally, staking Tfuel, you could do it via the Edge node. I downloaded the little application. You can watch, broadcast, earn Tfuel by performing jobs, and finally stake Tfuel and earn Tfuel by staking. And that's basically the recap out here, boomers. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what's shaking and baking. I like Theta. I'm excited about this network, and I'm looking at this as a midterm play. Let's see how it all pans out. Drop a comment below. Let me know what your opinions are. It's the voice of the blockchain, Satoshi's big cousin, crypto's finest. Champagne. Thank you.